You want to remove the center console of the new E-Class? Start by disconnecting the battery. Then remove the cover of the center console. To do this, open the cover of the armrest and remove the bump stop. Then undo the screws underneath. Remove the cover of the storage compartment. Now undo the screws on the cover of the center console. Lift the cover of the rear center console so far until you get access to the electrical connectors. Disconnect all the plug connectors. Then you can remove the cover of the center console. Continue with the two screws on the instrument panel. Unscrew them both. Here, unclip the sockets, disconnect the electrical connectors, and free the cable harness. Then you remove the rear cover of the center console as follows. First, unscrew the screw. Then unclip the cover on the center console. And unplug all the accessible connections. Now you can remove the cover. In the compartment of the center console, set the cover aside. Underneath are two nuts. Unscrew them. From the back seat, disconnect all the electrical connectors located under the center console. Pull the center console to the back, out of the instrument panel, and take it out over the passenger seat. Installation is in the reverse order.